guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Jessie Wesley, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a dollar store inspired makeup look. Shitting me or kidding me, which one? So I am, first of all, y'all are not gonna bully me because I just slapped this wig on my head so that I can record this video. You know, it's no glue, nothing. It's looking a little rough, but it's okay. Y'all not here for that. Y'all are here for makeup, so focus on my face. Yes. So so knowing myself, I probably am going to forget to show y'all like what products are dollar store and what products aren't, so I'm gonna do that now. So I got a bronzer from the dollar store. Can y'all see? Okay, yeah. So I got a bronzer, and then I got a contour stick, but I don't know which contour stick. Oops, that's upside down. I don't know which contour stick is gonna work better. I think the darker one, so I'm gonna use this one as a concealer. Also got a highlighter from the dollar store. Got this eyebrow. Can y'all see? Okay. I got this eyebrow pencil from the dollar store. So I got this concealer. Can y'all see? I got this concealer from the dollar store as well. Ooh. So I'm going to do my face with those products. Okay. So other than my primer that I use, and then I'm going in with my regular foundation. Else on this look is going to be from the dollar store, and I'm basically just gonna go in and see like if these products actually work. All right, so first things first is eyebrows, and I don't usually fill my eyebrows in with a pencil, so this is gonna be new altogether with the technique and the product. So let's see how this goes. A little brush thing and the pencil. I don't know. I guess. Okay, this works. I'm gonna try my best to use everything that I said I was gonna use from the dollar store, so I'm just gonna have to make it work. I usually use the little spoolie thing, but I guess this is fine. This isn't bad. Definitely say that I miss my spoolie. I would definitely say that I miss my spoolie thing and my darker brow powder, but this isn't horrible. This is a very like natural looking color brow because it's so light. So this isn't bad. We're not doing horrible so far. To go in with the concealer, this I'm a little nervous about because it definitely is not my color at all. It's okay because we're gonna end. Maybe my brush isn't going in there. Maybe that's a little upsetting, so I need a different one. My brushes can't fit in here. They're not going in. How am I supposed to get the concealer out if I can't get a brush in? Okay. That's fine. I guess I'm going to use the applicator that it came with. Maybe this is a little upsetting because this applicator is just not the one that I usually use, but I'm gonna try to, yeah, see, I already have little to no precision. This is just not. Okay, maybe something along those lines. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put the concealer around and make the shape, and then I'm gonna go in with the Okay, so these are the eyebrows, guys. I actually am not mad at this concealer, like, at all. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna blend with my beauty blender, but I think I blended it out pretty well with...
Can I put these up?
Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna blend out with